When transit teams evaluate DVIR software, one mistake shows up repeatedly. They focus on whether inspections can be completed, but not on whether inspection outcomes are managed well enough to support compliance. Checklist completion is not the same thing as compliance readiness. A compliance-ready process should answer three questions quickly. What defect was reported? What corrective action was taken? Where is the traceable record that links the two? If your current process cannot answer those without manual reconstruction, your risk is higher than it appears. The first evaluation point is defect to action continuity. After an inspection fails, how reliably does that issue become an actionable maintenance item? Any gap there increases response time and creates exposure. The second point is accountability clarity. Can supervisors see open defects, assigned actions, and resolution status in one workflow? If not, defects may close slowly or stay unresolved longer than expected. The third point is documentation quality. In public sector settings, records are not just operational data. They are evidence. Your team should be able to retrieve inspection history, follow-up actions, and closure details quickly. This is why buyers should test workflows, not just screens. Run through a real scenario, a defect on an active vehicle during a busy service window. See how the platform handles triage, assignment, repair completion, and record capture. If that path is smooth, your compliance posture improves. If it depends on side spreadsheets, email chains, or manual reconciliation, you still have structural risk. Motrix positions DVIR compliance around this continuity model for transit and paratransit fleets, connecting inspections, corrective maintenance, and retrieval-ready records. If you are evaluating tools now, use the DVIR buyer guide linked in the description as a practical checklist. Then watch our audit-ready maintenance records videos so your compliance process is built for both operational control and defensible documentation.